Yay, I just got something from eBay. What is it? Well, it's got a picture of a CPU and some circuitry and a shark and a whole load of Chinese writing. Of course, it's a motherboard. Not just any motherboard though. This is for socket lga2011 because it's 2011 all over again. Whenever the hell this came out. I can't remember when would it have been, blimey. Probably was around 2011. Next door, smoke alarms going off. Woohoo, they're cooking toast again. Anyway, so yep, you get a warranty card. Can't read anything on that. We sell to British. You are screwed. We sell to British. You make it work. We make it in China. Have fun. Yee. We have a fan adapter. We have a SATA cable. It's a whole 50p right there. We've got an I/O shield. It's very bland looking and has some very interesting ports on it. That, yeah. We have some screws. We have thermal compound. Look at that. There's actually thermal compound in there. Woohoo. Plus that. We don't have a CPU. It does say it should come with one. I'm not seeing one. I have grounded myself, but you know. Okay, so here's the board itself. It is a lga2011, as I said before. There's no CPU that I can see. It's just sort of blank in it. Excuse my welder's hand. 24-pin power over here. 4 SATAs. And 8-pin CPU power. Really not a lot to it. They've pre-bent the pins on our fan connector right there. That's your VRM, voltage regulator module, for the CPU right there. Got a big beefy heatsink on here. There are your chokes right there. They're the capacitors. They're all solid state, which is nice to see. None of this electrolytic rubbish. And yeah, there's an M.2 slot right there. X16 PCI Express and an X4 PCI Express. There appears to be a cobweb on the USB connector there, or maybe that's, what is that? Flux? I'm guessing it's a bit of flux. I/O, we have audio, wow! Ethernet, USB ×6, it only looks like USB 2, I hope it's not. And keyboard and mouse connectors, PS2 connectors. That is it, there's nothing else to this. There's a little heatsink there, also a slate caps though. There's your screw for the M.2 drive. It doesn't look bad, you know, 55 quid if it works. Which I don't see why it wouldn't. Yeah, all solid state capacitors. Only got 2 memory slots, that's a bit of a negative, so you've got to spend more on memory. I've got a CPU kicking around, and yeah, that concludes this video. We'll put this in an old IBM case and see how it goes.